So I kind of want to give a couple examples, and maybe we can kind of like walk through where you would start with it. What if someone had like an e-com store where they sold drones?
Drones, okay.
And it's working on Facebook. They're making some money.
Yep.
How would you go about, like, I guess that goes into another question, man. There's all sorts of like even ads and types of ads you can buy on YouTube, right?
Absolutely. Absolutely.
What does that look like?
I mean, it varies because the platform changes a lot, but in stream are the ones that you have to wait 5 seconds to skip.
Yeah.
You know, that's where all the scale is at.
Interesting.
Gotcha.
They also have discovery, which are the ones that if you're ever watching a video and then you got the recommended videos, and then like at the top, they'll have like an ad. You can tell it kind of like highlighted as an ad. Those are called discovery. Or if you search on YouTube and above the search results, there's ads that sit there. Those are called discovery ads. And they work great as well. But the scale, from what I found, is it shifts. So, for example, with Organifi, we ran a lot of discovery ads, tons of discovery ads. It was probably 80-20 discovery versus in-stream. Now, majority of what I run is the opposite. We run 80% in-stream and maybe about 20% of the time discovery. So it just kind of goes with the platform. The thing about YouTube lately, and the reason why I preach, the reason why I talk a lot about in-stream is because true view for action, those are in-stream where you run in the stream of other videos is why they call it in-stream. Those are the ones that you got to wait the 5 seconds to skip. Skippable ads, those are they have true view for action, which means you can bid based on a cost per action basis. So if your action is give me a lead, I can pay, X amount of dollars per lead. The algorithm will go and try to find you however many they can at whatever your target number is.
Yeah.
If you just want to purchase, the algorithm will go. And man, listen, that's what changed the game. That's really was the thing that switched us into the 80%, in stream, because true view for action. That's where it's at right now, man.
Dude, that's a huge fucking tip right there.
Absolutely, man. That's where it's at right now.
Damn. Do you find that so I'm a big Facebook guy and I don't fully understand YouTube that well, but I know that like the pixel in Facebook and algorithm is such a key, and I know that Google's like on top of that shit too, man. Like they're really great with that stuff. Are you finding that it's kind of switching so you can sort of do a wider target now, and Google will actually get your conversions down with like less guidance?
Absolutely. I mean, it's all about training that pixel, right? Like, Google got more artificial intelligence power than any other company on the planet.
Yeah, that's true.
Like understand what I'm saying when I say that, and I try to tell people, and like Facebook is amazing, but when you talk about pure artificial intelligence capability, no one's doing it bigger than Google. And Google, there's an article out here, you guys could go and search this and find it, but their goal is to put artificial intelligence in the hands of every advertiser. They're basically trying to create a platform that basically you stick in the creative and they go figure out the rest.
Yeah.
That's really where they're going with this. Matter of fact, I just left with Google today, and that's basically, it was like they lean on the AI. Yeah. That's what they want you to do that. And I found when you lean on the AI, you get better. I mean, it's just getting better and better as we go along. I would say it rivals, to be frank, I think Facebook is probably still a bit better, only because AI with Facebook, I believe that Facebook specifically was doing AI with their ads platform, whereas Google is in the AI business, and now they're doing it with their ad platform.
Gotcha.
You see what I'm saying? That makes sense.
Google's got so many data points, right? Like
Absolutely.
They own a phone company. They have Gmail. They have like chat. They got
Chrome,
YouTube, everything.
Come on, man.
Yeah,
I love it.
It's crazy.
Bro.
Yeah, man.
Look, dude, that's fucking badass. So like, it's funny, Gabe and I talk about this, and Gabe's going to have a way better perspective than I will. But I feel like in Facebook, it's almost a game of like, once your pixel learns and you've got a bunch of fires, it's just a matter of keep on rotating new creatives and eventually find someone clicks. It sounds like Google's going down that road too.
Bingo.